This spooky pipe cleaner spider is just the perfect decoration to go all around the house for Halloween. For this project, you'll need 8 black pipe cleaners, googly eyes, and a thick white craft glue. Hold 4 of the pipe cleaners together evenly. Hold one of the pipe cleaners against the middle of the 4 and wrap it around in a bundle. Repeat this with the other 3 pipe cleaners, holding the end against the previous bundle and wrapping it around. This will make the body of the spider. Tuck the very end inside one of the coils to keep it out of the way. To make the legs on each side, bend each pipe cleaner about 2/3 of the way down to make a joint, and then make about a 1/2 inch bend on the end. Spread out the legs and position them so that the spider will stand up. The last step is to add the eyes. Put a generous blob of glue for each eye. Don't worry if you have a little extra, it dries clear. Set the eyes in place. And you're finished. You can make a batch of these spiders in different colors as well. Be sure and subscribe to my channel for more pipe cleaner ideas and other crafts.